AI music is here and it is awesome. In this video, I'm going to show you YouTube channels that are popping up doing nothing but AI music and monetizing really quick. And by the way, if you're not a musician, no worries. You do all this with no music knowledge at all. If you've never even played an instrument, you're fine, because right now I'm going to make a song in about 20 seconds using Suno, which is the leading AI music platform. It all works on prompts. So the first thing I did, rather than even think of a prompt, was I went to ChatGPT and I said, make me a prompt for Suno, a high energy music prompt. Well, this is the prompt right here. High energy, electronic pop, upbeat tempo. You know, if you don't even know these terms, punchy bass, all that stuff, don't worry about it. Musicians know this stuff. Non-musicians, just copy the prompt, which is what I'm going to do right now. Check this out. I'm going to go to Suno. This is Suno, by the way, and I tell you all about this, show you everything in the training. So I'm going to put this into the style, because that prompt is a description of the style of music. Lyrics, by the way, you can have singing or not. So this is a song with lyrics, which means we're going to hear somebody singing it. But who is that? It's AI singing. Did you know AI can sing? Well, guess what? We're about to hear that. All right. So I'm putting the lyrics in the lyrics box. I put the music style in the style box. And I'm going to click this button down here, create. And it's going to take about 20 seconds. I'm clicking it now. And while we're waiting, I don't have to put you on pause. I don't have to tell you a joke. I don't have to do anything, because in about 10 seconds, they will be here. You get two versions every time you run a prompt. In case one sounds better than the other, they are done. Let's listen to this. And by the way, before I click to play, put your finger on your volume knob. It might get loud. Let's go. Here's the lyrics down here on the right.
Wake up, sunlight on my face. New day calling, no time to waste. Heartbeat steady, mind is clear. Everything I want is getting near. I feel the spark, I feel the rise.
Well, I could play that song all day long. Let's try the other version. You always get two versions. All right, so this is a high energy song because I had the prompt ask for a high energy song, but you can do all styles of music in this. Let's get to YouTube and see how these channels are doing. I have a bunch here to show you. Here's one, Chilla Music. I want you to notice something. I went for that high energy song first. It's all about good morning, energy. I'm finding these are the channels that are really flying right now with morning energy, day energy, morning energy, all these mixed up words together, perfect day. Guess what? All right, this channel right here is making around $1,000 or more per month. They have 54 videos and they have been around since September. This is December, October, November, December. 3 months, they are monetized, and the videos are really easy to make. All right, you just take that music you got out of Suno, you put on a still image. I teach you everything how to do this. No theory. You are going to watch me actually how I built my channel here. All right, this is a brand new channel I created in the last few days, and I uploaded my first video yesterday. You might see down here 1 day ago. All right, that was yesterday, and I've already gotten 37 watch hours and 97 views. If you don't know what this stuff is, well, it's really good. I'll put it that way. Let's go look at some of these established channels again. Let's see, did I show you this one? Which one did I show you? This one. Yeah, so here's another one. Chill Music Delight. 75 videos. That's it, 75 videos. Started in August. All right, making somewhere between $1,000 and $4,000 a month. All right, here's another one, making around $1,000 a month. 54 videos. Started in October. 2 months ago, this channel started. 2 months ago, they have over 1 million views and over 4,000 subscribers. This is what I see happening. All these YouTube channels are just flying with this AI music because it's new, and you are at the best time and the best place now to get into this. The videos are really, really easy to make. You use Suno, like I showed you, to make the video, to make the songs. You get a bunch of those songs. You just randomly put them into a timeline, which I teach you all about. Add a still image. You can use a video moving image, or you can just use a still image for the visual part. Done. So you get the YouTube channel, you create the videos, you upload them, do this consistently. That's how you grow a channel. Let's look at some more. Here's another one, 36 videos. That's like nothing, right? They've been around since September. 3 months ago, they have over 7 million views of their videos. This is like unheard of, all right? Most channels take months to years to grow. These ones are growing in weeks and months. Now, in AI Vibe Music Mastery, I'm focusing on 3 types of music. One is this high energy morning stuff. So you're going to see a lot about that. I'm also focusing on jazz. All right. So here's some jazz channels. And all of this is AI generated music that you can create. And these are, some of these channels have been around a little longer. And like this has been around, well, I guess since June. I take it back. This one's been around since June, and they have 9 million views. This is December. What is that? Like 6 months, 5-6 months ago, they've been around, and they have 9 million views on their videos and earning between $1,000 and $4,000 a month. All right. Here's another one, Relax Jazz Cafe. Ooh. All right. So they have been around for 2 years. All right. Little more established, making somewhere between $5,000 and $15,000 per month from making jazz videos. Now, jazz, or cafe, coffee shop, there seems to be some blend of these things in here. You know, coffee shop plays some jazz, background music, whatever. They are flying. One more niche to show you, and that is the study and focus music. Like here's a channel, MM. I have no idea what MM is, but only 31 videos. That's it, 31? Been around since June, and have gotten over 2 million views on their channel here, earning up to about $1,000 a month. Grind and Groove, 45 videos. Been around since April, a little longer. What's that, about 7 months ago, right? They're earning up to $1,000 a month. And I could show you more and more and more, but I don't need to. I think you get the idea. The important thing is, as you saw at the beginning of this video, I created a song without needing to know anything about music, without having to describe instruments, music theory stuff, notes, chords, melodies. I didn't do anything, nothing. All right. I gave it a prompt. I didn't even write the prompt. I asked ChatGPT to write the prompt. Think about this. You can just go to ChatGPT, ask for prompts, ask for the lyrics. If you want lyrics, you don't have to use lyrics. You can have instrumental music, and that's it. It's simple. You got to get into this. All right. So on the page here, there's more information for you to check out. And I can't wait for you to see more about this in the members area. I am so excited about this. And I can't say this enough. If you're not a musician, no worries. Okay. See you in the members area.
I'm rising from the shadows, feeling like breakthrough.